Welcome student, welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's session that is related to exercise 8.1, and today we have to discuss fifth question of our exercise. Just have a look what question number 5 is. Okay, we have to show that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Means this quadrilateral is given to us A, B, C, D, and if its diagonal are equal as well as bisect each other at 90, then we need to prove that it is a square. So first of all we will join its diagonals. They intersect at O. It is given that they are bisecting each other and at right angles. So just see what the things are given to us. Okay, what the things are given to us, that in ABCD, or it is a quadrilateral ABCD, what the things are given to us, that AC is equals to BD, diagonals are equal and bisect each other, means AO is equals to OC and BO is equals to OD, bisect each other and at right angle, means AC is perpendicular to BD, this all angle they are 90. These things are given to us. And just see what we need to prove. We need to prove that ABCD is a square. Means all sides are equal and all angles are 90. So first of all we need to prove that this is a parallelogram. Okay, so just see a proof how we will prove it. First of all we need to prove it is a parallelogram. Okay, it is given that quadrilateral. If it is given that it is a parallelogram, then we can directly prove. But if it is given that it is a quadrilateral, in that case first of all we have to prove it is a parallelogram. Okay, so proving it as a parallelogram, what we are doing, we are taking the opposite angles, that triangles, and we are proving it as a congruent, similar as in the previous question. Okay, in the previous video we have solved it. Now see, so first of all we will prove, we will take the triangle. We are taking in triangle AOD and COB. So just see in these two triangles what the things we are having. This is given to us, given, simple. Other thing, OD is equals to OB, it is also given to us. And the third thing we know, vertically opposite angle is equals to angle COB. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. Now once the triangle are congruent, what the criteria we are using here? SAS. So once the triangle are congruent, then the remaining parts are equal. Remaining parts means AD is equals to BC, and we are taking here remaining angles also, these two angles. Okay, angle ADO, this angle you can take this one, or if you are taking these two angles then also you can prove. So we can take angle ADO is equals to angle, you can say CBO. Okay, so this is our equation by CPCT, and these two angles are also equal. Okay, you can say angle OAD, it is also equals to angle OCB by CPCT. So these things we are having, any of the things we can utilize for proving. Okay, so just see, alternate interior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Okay, alternate interior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Which lines are parallel? From these two equations you can say AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to CD. Reason? Because alternate interior angles are equal. Because alternate interior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Or once lines are parallel, then you can say that this given ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we have proved that ABCD is a parallelogram, but what we have to prove? We have to prove that this is a square. So have a look how we will prove it that it is a square. So for proving this parallelogram, now it is a parallelogram. This is a ABCD is a now parallelogram. We have proved. Now this parallelogram we have to prove as a square. So we will take adjacent triangle so that we can prove the sides are equal. Okay, so we are taking adjacent triangle. We are taking in triangle. We will take AOB and AOD. So in this triangle, just see what we are having. We are having AO is equals to AO. This is common. Just see what the other thing we are having. We are having angle AOB is equals to angle AOD. Reason is given to us 90. Third is we are having OB is equals to OD. This is also given to us. So we are having three things as equal. So these two triangle are, which two triangle are? Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD. So remaining parts are equal. What are the remaining part? AB is equals to AD by CPCT. And what the criteria for it, for proving it as a congruent? All the things are very compulsory to write. Okay, so these two triangle are non-congruent, then the remaining parts are equal. Means we have proved that AB is equals to AD. Okay, so just have a look. AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to CB and AB is equals to CD. So AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. All sides are equal. But now here we have to prove that angle is also 90. So for proving angle as 90, we are taking this complete angle ABD and this BAB so that we can prove these two angles as 90. So what we are taking now, these sides we have proved as equal. Now we will take the angles. So now we will take in triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Just see what we are having in these two. We are having AB is equals to BA. Okay, just have a sequence na. So we will term as a BA. We are having ABD and BAC. So AB is equals to BA. So this is common. This is common. Second thing we are having AD is equals to BC. Opposite side of parallelogram. Opposite side of parallelogram. Third thing we are having BD is equals to AC. It is given to us. Diagonals are equal. Now these three things we are having as equal. So these two triangle are congruent and the criteria is triple S by triple S criteria. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC and criteria is triple S. So remaining parts are equal. What are the remaining parts? Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Okay, by CPCT. Now here we have proved the remaining parts are equal. Equal we have proved, not 90. Now we will prove it as a 90. So just see these two are the parallel lines because it is a parallelogram. This one is the transversal. So sum of angles on the same side of transversal is 180. So what you can write? Angle DAB plus angle CBA is 180 degree. Okay, angles of the same side. Reason is angles on the same side of transversal is 180 is supplementary. Anytime you can write. So both are equal. So you can change it. Angle DAB plus angle DAB is 180. So 2 angle DAB is 180. So angle DAB is 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. So angle DAB is equals to angle CBA is 90. Okay, so this is equation 1, this one is equation 2. So you can write from equation 1 and 2. ABCD is a square. So this we have proved that it is a square. So this is regarding question number 5 of our exercise, that is 8.1. Thank you. Take care.